दर्शक का स्वागत है आपके फेवरेट एक्शन चैनल में। और आज हम लेके आए आरआरआर बिहाइंड एंड बियॉन्ड के सीन्स का रिएक्शन। सो यार मैं कहना चाहूँगा अगर बिहाइंड द सीन्स बनाना हो ना तो वो भी राजामौली सर से सीखो। बिकॉज हमने देखा हुआ कि लाइक जैसे मूवीज़ तो उनकी बहुत कमाल की होती है पर उनके बिहाइंड द सीन इतने ज़बरदस्त है ना, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से उन्होंने डिटेलिंग में हर एक चीज़ बताई है, सिखाई है एंड लाइक ऑफकोर्स वो हर जगह अपना कैमरा लेके जा रहे थे उस टाइम पे भी, तो उनको पता था कि भाई ये सारी चीज़ें आगे जाके काम आएंगी और अब आ भी रही हैं।
सस्पेंस बिहाइंड द सीन्स मुझे लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा नेसेसरी थे एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड। मैं इसलिए नहीं देख रही बिकॉज मुझे अब बिहाइंड द सीन्स का चस्का चढ़ गया है। बिकॉज मुझे लग रहा है ये हम फिनिश कर लें उसके बाद मैं डेफिनेटली टाइम निकाल के आरआरआर देखूंगी एंड फिर मुझे जो फीलिंग आएगी कि मैंने इसका पूरा प्रोसेस देखा है कि भाई ये कैसे बना था, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगने वाला है।
देख लेते क्या होगा, तो अब देखो देखते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट।
It's a very heart-wrenching decision that the father had to take at that point of time, putting so much of weight on the shoulders of a young kid, as if our hearts are being squeezed as the episode happens.
The best part about the action, I would say, is the way he wants your body language to be and your eyes to be and the expressions to be. He does it himself and he shows it to you.
वाह, अजय देवगन जैसे एक्टर को भी ये बताना कि ऐसे चाहिए वैसे चाहिए, इट मींस कि आपको कोई मैटर नहीं करता कोई एक्टर क्या है, इट्स जस्ट परफेक्शन।
The whole village was a setup which was done in Vikrabad, and we found a place which was an empty ground. Natural beauty was there, where the close by forest where they can escape into a hideout like place.
यार ये काम भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, कोई भी लोकेशन ढूंढ के लानी है आपको।
There is action, but it is not because of the action the heroism is coming. He writes beautifully. I mean, he's amazing.
వాడు కాల్చి ఎదురు కాల్పుల్లో బుల్లెట్ వెళ్ళేవాడు తమ్ముడు తగిలింది కార్లను. నాన్న తమ్ముడు ఆయన ఎంత దేశభక్తి అంటే అటు తిరిగి
రాజమౌళి సార్ కి ఫాదర్
షూట్ దాంట్లో తల్లి కూడా చచ్చిపోయింది. లోడ్ ఎయిమ్ షూట్ అతను కూడా చచ్చిపోయాడు. ఇది వేరే కథ కోసం చిన్న ఒక టేకప్ చెప్పి ఇది బాగుందంటే ఇది ఫ్లాష్ బ్యాక్ చేద్దాం.
He wanted actually to break the flashback into two pieces. Actually it was initially shot as one flashback, but he broke it in two pieces in the script.
See the dog bleed.
Whoa.
He is the best in the country, and I was waiting to work with him. And when he came and he narrated me the whole character, I was amazed the way he had written it.
क्या बात है। ओह कोमुरम भीमड़ो, ये सीक्वेंस सबसे ज्यादा हार्ट रेंचिंग सीक्वेंस था।
The people of Telangana went through a very troublesome phase for a long period of time, and there was continuous revolution, and the main weapon they chose to fight this revolution was the song. For every occasion, let it be a celebration, let it be a birth, let it be a marriage, let it be death itself, song is a weave into their lives. Being coming from the tribe in the Telangana region, we thought that would really sync with his character and really take it several notches up.
He cannot fight back physically, motivate himself and get some energy from whatever he believed. He went to his faith system.
Bhim does not have anybody else to encourage him or to bring him out of this devastating situation he's in. He starts addressing himself as a third person, and he starts singing a song called Komuram Bhimudu, where he keeps telling himself, reminding himself that don't bow down.
Komuram Bhimudo, Komuram Bhimudo, Komuram Bhimudo.
इनको कैसे पब्लिक में मार रहे होते हैं सब, मतलब मेन रामचंद्र जी मारते हैं, वो आगे भय होता है कि भाई लड़ाई होती है एंड इन उनको जॉब अपनी करवानी होती है ना।
Bhim needs to have a smile on his face. He needs to feel the pain. He needs to communicate his anger. He needs to communicate his whatever backstab he's gone through with Ram. So there's so much he needs to communicate, but all this needs to be done with a smile. But still the reactions of each incident or each whip needs to, like whiplash has to be given also.
I'm feeling bad that I am whipping this guy who is my best friend. I want to show some kind of empathy. And then he added saying, I'm going to add a tear. It looks like it's a slash of the blood. It is actually the tear which I am taking off my face. I think that was such a subtle but such a strong shot in that whole episode.
As if they're cheating while hitting. So it had to be a real force, but it shouldn't hurt the artist. There's a shot of them putting onto the wooden post, and when he pulls it, that's a report.
Yes.
So he had to use special wood and things like that, like the balsa wood, so that the fibers come out, showing the effect. So that made it more effective. As much as possible, if you make it believable, I think the story works, and that's what the director
ये
wants.
रियल शॉट था
कितना जोर से लगता है
यार, ये सब शॉट खुद करके दिखाते हैं.
वाओ
वाओ.
It's like a life-saving drug. He may physically die, but he's not giving up. A song again which connects to the innocent village theme song Malli used to sing. The tune remains the same, but the words are different.
ప్రేమ్ ఇదంతా జరిగిపోయేది స్టేజ్ మీద అన్నారు. నాకు స్టేజ్ మీద ఫుల్ సాంగ్ ఎలా సార్ డౌట్ వచ్చింది నాకు. తర్వాత చెప్పేది సార్ నాకు అది ప్రేమ్ ఇలా ఎమోషన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ డ్రామా ఉంది అనగానే మీ స్టార్టెడ్ కొరియోగ్రఫీ 15 years రిహర్సల్ చేసిన సాంగ్ నేను. అప్పుడు దాకా ఫుల్ షౌట్, ఎవ్రీబడి షౌటింగ్. ఎప్పుడు ఆ సాంగ్ వచ్చిందో అందరూ సైలెంట్గా వచ్చింది పాట చూసారండి.
Tarak really put his heart into it, and I didn't really need to tell him how to express, and I love every twitch in his muscle when he acted for the song. And there was
वो
a
actual
sense of,
feel था.
the revolution that he had to irk in people's mind even if he died. So there was a mix of emotions.
When you have a person like Rajamouli, it gets even tougher. But I really proved something to myself, after watching myself in Komaram Bhimadu. I could really feel that sort of happiness in Rajamouli's eyes as well. Komaram Bhimadu will remain with me for the rest of my life.
ओ यार, ये तो एक्चुअल whip भी कर रहे हैं. और देखो अरे इंस्टेंटली उनका दिल दुख गया भाई, इतनी जोर से मारना पड़ा. पर राजामौली सर ने बोला होगा मारना ही है.
इन्होंने इतने कौड़े खाए हैं एक्चुअल में.
अगर शॉट वही तो लगेगा, क्योंकि उनको अपना दिखाना था, लोगों के अंदर जोश बनाना था. खुद ही मारा है, खुद ही लेके जा रहे हैं. ये तो
Really grateful for those two actors to be in that sequence and take it to the level that they did. Okay, now they are going to get closer, and suddenly you realize another misunderstanding is going to happen.
बच्ची कितनी प्यारी है. ये उन्होंने खुद ने किया है.
As audience, we are willing them to clear the misunderstandings, get the hands together and rejoice in what's going to happen next. As writers, we didn't let it happen. We stretched it a little bit more, taking it further. One of the best shots actually went to Ray Stevenson, who played Scott.
क्या बात है.
What movies are about. It's motion pictures. I didn't want to bring any preconceived notions of other productions I've been on. So I've worked all over the world. Ultimately, what we're doing is storytelling. And this is a new genre, a new way of storytelling for me. So I've just tried to be as open, as much like a sponge.
वाह, ये अच्छा लगता है जब ऐसे और एक्टर्स आके भी करते हैं.
I remember on the day of shoot when I showed him what's going to happen, he couldn't believe, can I take this shot back and show it to my kids?
ये बेस्ट शॉट था भाई. ओपा.
How Bhim attacks his bunch of soldiers, and how Ram, even though he's bleeding, he's going after Malli to save her. It leads to the final moment when we think, okay, now they are going to get closer, and suddenly you realize another misunderstanding is going to happen.
मेरे को राजामौली सर एज एक्टर चाहिए, एक मूवी में चाहिए.
एज अ हीरो ही चाहिए.
सही में मजा आ जाएगा यार.
For me, one of the very important characters is Sita. She comes at a crucial juncture and helps the people, the friends who are like traveling in different paths, how she's able to bring them together.
Sir's brief to me also about Sita was just her simplicity and her innocence should really shine. But just keeping it extremely pure. And
ये बहुत pure था
I
भी।
would say.
किनके साथ थी ये दोनों में से?
रामचरण।
This is my first non-Hindi speaking film. So it was very different for me because I'm speaking a language that I don't know.
Vibrant action. Action. Cut. Yeah, that's right. Just get the Hindi line. Yeah.
ओ उन्होंने दोनों में शूट किया है।
One of my
Wow.
favorite experiences on
दोनों
the set is
same
in
था
between
एकदम।
the shots. Rajamouli sir coming and narrating different stories to me of our history, of our culture that I have not known about. It's very educative, I have to say.
Wow, it's a very good
जर्नी हो जाती है पूरी।
इनका रोल सुना है बहुत छोटा सा ही था।
हाँ।
And when I came on set, I was very nervous about the pronunciations and the pauses, and because I don't know what I'm saying. Rajamouli sir directing you, telling you exactly what to do, he just makes it so much easier that I didn't have to do much. So I just had to copy him and follow him, and it was very easy after that.
And she clears the air for Beam unknowingly when she talks about her fiance, what his aim is. He's not just a police officer who is doing some service to the British, but he's actually a revolutionary.
Initially shot as one flashback, but he broke it in two places so that the second time is told to Beam by Alia Bhatt. When the blast happens and there's smoke, and in the same smoke you can see the other face. From the younger Ram to the older Ram, although the story is about the younger Ram, the image Beam has of him is the elder Ram. So that's why through the
Image
smoke
clean
he
की
had
गई।
his face and then came back to Beam where he's totally shattered that he has done it to such a good cause. Those sort of things were all improvised during the edit, which is not really planned.
Indian epic of Ramayana. Sita is kidnapped by the villain and Ram goes in search of Sita in the epic. Here the characters are named coincidentally Ram and Sita again. Beam says Sita shouldn't go in search of Ram. Ram should go in search of Sita, and I'm going to get Ram back to you.
Wow. In search of Ram. Wow.
क्योंकि उन्होंने पकड़वाने में मदद की थी अभी, अब यही ढूंढ के लाएंगे।
Reinforces the belief that I have that a good scene is a good scene, a good emotion is a good emotion for all the people across the globe.
He goes to the solitary confinement where Ram is enclosed.
Jail
and,
scene.
The whole sequence of him, there's this rhythm, a sound which these people know, it's like a communication between two friends. And if you remember, that's the same sound which Charan makes when he's bitten by the snake, when Bheem is about to leave that place. The same thing occurs here, and both of them, get together, and all the differences are sorted. Now comes the craziest sequence of RRR, where Rajmouli truly depicts that they're not two souls anymore. At this juncture, they are both.
They are one.
Every emotional high has an opportunity going to being developed as an action sequence. What else can I do? I have brought animals, one man against thousands. What more can we do here? So I thought they should fight as one, even though there are two people, because now their ideas are aligned, their misunderstandings have cleared, their goals are one. So why not literally make them as one person?
After all this drama, after all the separation,
उनकी टांगे काम नहीं कर रही
both
थी
of
उस
them
टाइम
come
पे।
again together. Tarak and Charan coming into one body. It's like both our souls went into one person's body. It should look like bigger than both of us.
Yeah,
So
wow.
when both of us individually. The mood of the theatre was so jubilant, seeing both our friends coming back, and they know that they're not going to be separated ever again.
Dun da 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 da. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. That's a very serious phrase. But when you put it in a framework like dun da da da, it gives you an effect of action with fun.
Yeah. वो लिफ्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं पीछे से। वाह।
Trying to escape, climbing towers, jumping over things, running around, which is actually really difficult to do when you've got someone on your shoulders and you're running at full speed.
In all fans of movies like Good, Bad, Ugly, James Bond movies, all cowboy movies, forces put together, I will cover your weakness, you will cover my weakness. It's the power of unity. It looks great, it looks very brave, and it looks fun also, because two people, strange way, accomplishing one thing. That's how serious music, Dosti theme music with framework of a cowboy texture.
म्यूजिक के किंग है वो यार।
वाओ
Make a rig such a way with the counterbalance, the weight doesn't go onto the shoulder of the person who's carrying, and at the same time there shouldn't be any gap in between the shoulder and the seat.
We've got a large team. I mean, we've got about 15 or 16 foreign stunt people right now, and at the same time, we've also used a large team of the locals as well. So between us, we're all working together to make the sequence action-packed. And
A guy who is 10 foot tall, he has 4 hands and 2 legs. It's no longer Ram and Beam, it is one person, Ram plus Beam.
Ram
When you
plus
see them, they're just not 2 people anymore. It's one whole gigantic body of 2 frames.
वाह।
And from there, the way the sequence moves into the climax. So it's like a perfect takeoff for the whole last showdown of RRR.
ये तो आइकॉनिक था यार, कैसे किया था इन लोगों ने। अब और मीनिंग जुड़ गया है इसको यार।
जबरदस्त। वो हाथ तो वो पैर, वाह।
कितने सारे एफर्ट्स, कितने लोगों की और कितनी चीज़ें लगती है वो यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है। और लाइक आलिया भट्ट जो थी, उनका मेरे को इंटरव्यू याद है कि वो पहले कहती थी कि भाई किस तरीके से उनको अगर राजामौली सर के साथ काम करने को मिल जाए तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे, और फिर उन्होंने कैसे ये रोल एक्सेप्ट किया था। मैंने बस इंटरव्यू में सुना था, लेकिन अभी बिहाइंड द सीन देखना, अजय देवगन सर को देखना कि वहाँ पे कैसे लाइक, क्योंकि हमने देखा हुआ है कि उनको नॉर्मली लोग बहुत तारीफ करते हैं एंड लाइक वो इतने बड़े सीनियर एक्टर है, तो अब मुझे लगता है कि उनको ज़्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, पर उनको वो पूरा शॉर्ट करके दिखा रहे हैं। इट मीन्स उनके लिए हर एक्टर सेम है, वो किसी को भी बड़ा किसी को छोटा नहीं देखते, वो बस अपनी स्क्रिप्ट को सबसे बड़ा देखते हैं।
और जहाँ तक मुझे शायद आलिया भट्ट का याद है, तो मेरे को आई एम नॉट श्योर फॉर दैट, पर शायद वो उनसे एयरपोर्ट पे मिली थी और उनको शायद बोला था कि मुझे आपके साथ काम करना है, और उन्होंने उनको रोल दिया। लाइक राजा इस पूरे बिहाइंड द सीन्स में हम एक्टर्स का तो करते हैं, पर एक्टर्स के पीछे की एक्टिंग के पीछे जो बहुत बड़ा हाथ है वो सर का है। लाइक कैसे वो हर एक सीन खुद से करते हैं। मेरे को लग रहा है इनके बाल डाई करके, या तो उनका जो रॉ लुक है उनके साथ ही हमको ऐसा कोई हीरो चाहिए यार।
सही में राजामौली सर ने जितने सारी मतलब उसको पूरी मूवी को बनाए उन्होंने, बिकॉज मैंने जितने बिहाइंड द सीन्स और देखे ना, उसमें डायरेक्टर नॉर्मली एक डायरेक्टर सीट पे बैठा होता है एंड वो ऐसे नहीं, ये नहीं, कट, ये चल रहा होता है। बट जैसे हमने वो लीडर वर्सेस वो हमने कंपैरिजन देखा हो ना, तो यहाँ पे लीडर ही है जो वहाँ पे लीडर वर्सेस बॉस का कंपैरिजन, तो उसमें लीडर ही है जो उतर के खुद सिखाते हैं, करते हैं एंड फिर पूरी तरीके से इन्वॉल्व होते हैं। तो इसमें आपका क्या कहना है, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा। तो इसे लाइक करते जाइए, कमेंट करते जाइए, शेयर करते जाइए
और सब्सक्राइब करिए।
बाय।